What's up, guys? Since I started this channel, I've always said the most important part of dieting is to simply hit your calorie and macro goals. Unlike some people, I'll never tell you to stop snacking. That means, outside of meals and desserts, we need to keep our options open and our cravings satisfied. One of those options we're making today is a healthier and higher protein French onion dip that only takes around 5 minutes. It can both be made and used multiple ways. So let's jump right into it. Question of the day. Who makes the best potato chip? Drop it. All you need for this one is to add into a small bowl 2 cups of a higher protein plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of light mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of dried onion, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and if the macros aren't good enough for you, 1 scoop of an unflavored or lightly flavored vanilla protein powder. I'll make sure to include the nutritional information for both on the website along with other substitutes and tips, which is always linked up here or down below. Continue by mixing everything up until thoroughly combined. Cover it up and toss it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours so that the dried onion has time to absorb and release its flavor. Alternatively here, you have 2 other ways to make this. The quickest, use a dip packet with your Greek yogurt, light mayonnaise, and Worcestershire. I think they cost around $1. The longest, add a tablespoon of olive oil or butter into a stovetop pan. Dice up 2 onions and caramelize them, which can take around an hour over low heat. You'll know they're done when they turn a darker brown color and almost resemble a thick relish. As soon as they're done, clear a spot in the middle of your pan and add in 1½ teaspoons of minced garlic for around a minute. Then remove your pan from the heat. Mix that into everything but your dried onion and garlic powder. Throw it into the fridge for a bit so the flavors can do their thing. In the end, it should look like this. Couple tips for this one. Number 1, the higher fat your Greek yogurt is, the creamier your dip will be. Number 2, eat it with fresh vegetables, on a baked potato, in a sandwich, with chips that work with your diet, and so on. Let me know, and others who might watch this, what you'll eat yours with. Number 3, keep it in the fridge, where it should last around 4 to 5 days. The winner of our last Testing Your Guesstimating with the blueberries was Ben. Congrats to you. For this week's Testing Your Guesstimating, we're going with this many chips. Guess how much you think they weigh in grams in the comments below. The first one closest to it will win a gift card to our store where you can purchase a shirt, shaker, or anything else you want. 1 guess per person. Thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one. Don't forget to check out proteinchef.co for all your recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.